Hi students, good morning everyone. Now I am going to talk about animal kingdom. What is an animal? What is an animal? Kingdom Animalia divided into two major groups. Kingdom Animalia. What is the Kingdom Animalia? ராச்சியம் விலங்குகள். Kingdom Animalia Tamil meaning ராச்சியம் விலங்குகள். Kingdom Animalia divided into two major groups. First one, invertebrates and vertebrates. What is the invertebrates? முதுகெலும்பில்லாத விலங்குகள். Vertebrates means முதுகெலும்புள்ள விலங்குகள். First one, invertebrate. What is the invertebrate? An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone. Without a backbone. It's a very important point. An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone. About 98% of all animals are invertebrates. About 98% of all animals are invertebrates. For example, worm, snail, cockroach, etc. What is the vertebrates? Only about 2 vertebrates means முதுகெலும்புள்ள விலங்குகள். Only about 2% of all animals are vertebrates. Only 2%. 2% of all animals are vertebrates, which belong to the phylum Chordata. Vertebrates include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Animals share the following characteristics. Animals, first point, animals are multicellular and have eukaryotic cells. Second point, animals lack cell walls. Third one, animals have a period of embryonic development. Fourth point, animals are consumers. Fifth point, animals can move. Sixth point, and most animals have muscle and nervous tissue. Seventh point, animals are diploid. Another one, animals have different levels of organization. Some animals consist of cells with a few tissue layers. Others are complex with organ systems. All animals have 6 cells that are haploid and are produced by meiosis. All animal life cycles consist of haploid and diploid cell development. Animal body plan and symmetry. What is the animal body plan and symmetry? An arrangement of an animal's body parts is called its symmetry. The arrangement of an animal's body parts is called its symmetry. Animals that do not have an orderly body plan, like sponges, are called asymmetrical. What is the radial symmetry? Radial symmetry means that the body parts are arranged in a circle around a central point. Fourth one, bilateral symmetry. What is the bilateral symmetry? The body consists of two similar halves. Examples of asymmetrical and radial and bilateral. The gut is the digestive tract. It enables an animal to digest food outside of its cells. In animals without a gut, food is digested inside of their cells. Complex animals also have a body cavity that holds that gut and other organs. Gut, body cavity. The body cavity provides an open space for organs to grow and function. This is body cavity, and this hole is gut. This is mouth and gut. Organ systems. As animals evolved and became more complex, they developed organ system to perform basic function. Listen, my dear students, very critical topic. Listen carefully. As animals evolved and became more complex, they developed organ system to perform basic functions. Some important organ systems are skeletal, muscular, circulatory, digestive, nervous, and reproductive. First one, sponge. Sponge. Sponge means kadalpasi. Sponge belong to the phylum Porifera. Bore bearing. Byram porphyria means bore bearing. They are asymmetrical and do not have a body cavity. Adult sponges do not move around. They feed by pulling water into the pores of their bodies and filtering out food particles. They are specialist. They have specialized cooler cells that move water and collect and digest food. And cnidarians. Cnidarians means paravigal. The phylum Cnidarians includes jellyfish, coral, sea anemones, and hydra. They have radial symmetry and do not have a body cavity. Cnidarians have differentiated cells that are organized into two layers of tissues and nerves that form a network. Many cnidarians have specialized stinging cells to capture food or define themselves. Next one, flatworms. Flatworms means தட்டையான வெப்பம். Planarians belong to the phylum Platyhelminths, the platforms. The flatworms are the simplest animals having bilateral symmetry. They have a sac-like gut but no body cavity. This is flatworms. Planarians secrete digestive enzymes onto their food and suck the food particles through an organ called a pharynx. They digest food in a gastrovascular cavity. Another one, roundworms. Members of the phylum Nematode are called roundworms. This is roundworms. Roundworms are the simplest animals with a complete gut that runs from mouth to anus. Next one, annelids. Earthworms belong to the phylum Annelida. And annelids have bodies that are divided into individual segments. Annelids have bilateral symmetry and a true body cavity. Annelids, this is brain, this is mouth, hearts, complete digestive tract, glands, nerve cord. Mollusks, snails, clams, and squads are all members of the phylum Mollusca. Mollusks have bilateral symmetry and a true body cavity. The body of a mollusk typically has a foot, gut, mantle, and cell. Mollusks. Clams and their relatives have a simple nervous system with nerve cords and a few ganglia. Octopi and their relatives have a more advanced nervous system. And octopus have a well-developed brain and eyes. Most mollusks have a sense of touch and taste. Anthropes. The phylum Anthrop includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans such as lobsters and crabs. Anthropes have segmented bodies, jointed limbs, and exoskeleton and well-developed organ system. Like annelids, anthrop bodies are segmented. Some segments form three distinct regions: a head, a thorax, and a abdomen. Investigating echinoderms. Next one, echinoderms. The phylum Echinodermata, meaning spiny skin, includes starfish, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers. Sea cucumbers. The echinoderms have radial symmetry, a body cavity, an internal skeleton, and spiny skin. and echinoderms have a specialized water vascular system. The water vascular system is a network of fluid-filled canals connect to hundreds of tiny tube-like feet. The water vascular system helps them move and capture food. Look the picture. Anthropes, annelids, mollusks, roundworms, flatworms, cnidarians, sponges. This is vertebrates, is echinoderms. This is invertebrate, this is vertebrate. This one ecoskeletal giant limbs and segment body, no segments, only no segment vertebrates. This is asymmetrical, no tissues, and radial symmetry tissues, and bilateral symmetry, and complete gut and body cavity is a radial symmetry. This is asymmetrical, no tissues. This is radial symmetry. This is echinoderms and human body. This is invertebrates. This is vertebrates. Vertebrate structure and function. Humans and sea squads are members of the phylum Chordata called chordates. All chordates have a structure called a notochord. A notochord is a flexible and round slab structure found in the embryos of all chordates. Characters of vertebrates. All vertebrates have a backbone and a skull. The backbone is a segmented column of interlocking bones called vertebrate. The vertebrates have an internal skeleton for support, protection, and a place for muscle to be attached. The bones and muscles of vertebrates work together to provide a structural framework for movement. All vertebrates have a body cavity that hosts the organ systems. The thoracic cavity holds the heart and the lungs of a breathing vertebrates. The abdominal cavity holds the digestive organs including the stomach and intestines and liver. Vertebrate organs are made for 4 types of tissues. An organ is a group of tissues that function together. Vertebrate organs are made for 4 types of tissues: nervous, epithelial, and connective, and muscle. Skin, epithelial, and layer, connective, and muscle tissues. Next, fish. Next one, fish. Fish are exothermic aquatic vertebrates with fins, gills, and a streamlined body. They were the first vertebrates and evolved about 500 million years ago. There are 3 classes of fish living today: jawless fish, cartilaginous fish, and bony fish. Fish anatomy. This is fish eye, gill cover, and fins, scales, and lateral lines system. Amphibians. Amphibians are ectothermic, smooth-skinned vertebrates, such as frogs and salamanders that usually hatch as an aquatic larva with gills. Bats are endothermic egg-laying vertebrates with forelimbs modified to form wings. They have many adaptations for flight, such as feathers, wings, hollow bones, and air sacs. Mammals. Mammals are endothermic vertebrates that have mammary glands. Mammary glands are organs that produce a nutritious fluid called milk. Mammals evolved from a now extinct group of reptiles called therapsids. The earliest true mammals appeared over 200 million years ago. Students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Today's homework in science: Explain mammals. Sorry. Explain mammals. Define amphibians and write any three categories of vertebrates. Here I give three questions for you. So you have to think and answer these questions and write this question and answer 3 times in your homework note. And also write test in your science test note and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, student. Thank you. God bless you. Listen, my dear student, any one more time. Watch this video 2 or 3 times. Okay, so that you can understand that concept well. It's a very important. Thank you, students. God bless you.